Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you some additional steps in order to farm the Berchain airdrop. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. Now I have made couple of videos in the past stating as to how you can go ahead and farm Berchain airdrop, and I will leave the links in the description. So I won't be going with all the details in with regards to setting up MetaMask wallet and rest of the stuff, because that I have already covered in my video. So you can go to rto.faucet.berachain over here and request some bera tokens over here. So this will drip like around 0.1 bera tokens to your MetaMask wallet. And also you can go to faucet quick node over here and connect your MetaMask wallet and request for additional 0.2 bera tokens. Now once you request your bera tokens and once bera tokens are reflected in your wallet, you can go to direct fi over here, and over here you will need to request some MUSDC. Now for some reason the option of requesting MUSDC is not reflecting for me anymore, but the option to actually go ahead and get some MUSDC is on the top right corner over here. Now simply connect to direct fi and check if you are able to claim MUSDC. If it's successful, then you will be able to claim 1000 MUSDC. Now you can go ahead and deposit it in their vault over here. So maximum is like 1000 which you can deposit. So as you can see, if I try to deposit more 1000 over here, it will give me an error stating that deposits are limited to 1000 MUSDC. Now what I can do is basically I have deposited my MUSDC, and so I'm getting around 56% of APY. So please note that this is just the testnet over here, it's not the actual money. I will go ahead and withdraw some over here, maybe 100 I will go ahead and withdraw. Now I will wait for the transaction to be over and I will click on confirm over here. And basically you can go ahead and withdraw some of the amount after some time once you deposit it in the structured products over here. Now meanwhile the transaction is completing, I will show you some additional steps that you can do. So as you can see, the withdrawal is successful. You go ahead and you can play this game over here, which is a test game, test.yqLvRr.game over here, and you will need to complete 3 stage over here. So the game is pretty simple, it's more like Candy Crush. So if I go ahead and show you over here, and please note that you will need to be on the Berachain in order to play this game. So we'll wait for the game to start. I think it should start in some time, unless there is a network load over here. So it's taking quite a bit of time for some reason. Let us try to get back on this game in some time. Now the next step that you can do is basically you can get some Ooga Booga ticket over here. You can get one over here. Now in order to get Ooga Booga token, if you already have like Bera or maybe honey, you can go ahead and mint one. Now I would prefer to mint it with honey because it's a bit cheaper as compared to minting it with Bera. Now if you don't have honey, all you can do is basically you can go over here, rto.bex.berachain over here, and here you can swap some Bera that you have received with honey. So for example, if I want to swap like 0.1 Bera, then it will be giving like around 22 honey tokens to me. And as you can see, the mint cost for honey is only like 4.2 as compared to Bera it's like 6.9. Now as you can see, this game has already started, and basically you can go ahead and play this like Candy Crush over here. So I won't be going in and playing the whole game over here. I'll simply go ahead and click on exit and click on confirm, but you have to complete at least 3 stages of this game in order to be eligible. Now the next thing that you can do is basically you can go to OX honey jar over here and mint this NFTs over here. Now I haven't minted these NFTs because these are a bit expensive NFTs for mint, because you will need OHM, or maybe if you want to go ahead you can mint few with Ethereum mainnet. So I'm not going to do it, but all you can do is basically you can go over here and switch your chain to Berachain to Ethereum. So if you want to go ahead and do it, then only do it. If not, then it's perfectly fine. And as you can see, out of 10,926, 4,600 55 NFTs are minted. Now the next thing that you can do is basically you can go to Honeypot Finance over here and try to get the NFT. Now please note that I think all the NFTs are minted over here, and currently if you want to go ahead and buy this NFT or get this NFT, it will cost you like 0.1 ETH in ARB, which is expensive. So all you have to do is basically you will need to switch your network to Arbitrum network, and you can go ahead and get the NFT. I will show you. Basically it's available on the OKX market over here, and as you can see the floor price is like 0.1 ETH on ARB network. So I'm not going to go ahead and buy this because I've spent a lot of money on farming different airdrops. Now the next thing that you can do is basically you can go to third web over here and maybe try to create a token over here. So let us go ahead and deploy one token on Berachain. So as you can see the network over here, you will need to select Bera. Now I will just type bera with hat b with, and I will go ahead and deploy this. So we'll need to wait for some time. I don't know why it's giving an error. Header not found. Let us check what's the problem over here. But you are able to deploy the tokens over here. I was able to do it in the past. Maybe since I've done it already, it's not giving me the option to do it again. So let's try it once again. So I think there is some network load on Berachain right now. That's the reason why it's taking a bit of time for deploying the contracts. So yeah, as you can see the contract is deployed now. Once again it's giving me an error. I will try it in some time. So basically what you can do is once you deploy this contract, you will be able to interact with this contract, and basically you can increase the supply, or maybe you can go ahead and burn some supply of this token that you have generated on third web application. Now the next thing that you can do is you can go to NFTs to me, and basically you can try to generate a NFT over here. Now let's try the same name, bera with hat. We'll keep the token symbol as ber and minting fee 0.1 edition size. Your bera with hat, and it's asking to put in some media over here. Let me try to get it using AI. Now this might take some time over here. Let us see if our contract is completed on third web. It's still showing adding to the dashboard. So I'm just waiting over here. So as you can see there is some network load over here, but you can go ahead and basically deploy the NFTs and deploy some tokens over here. Now the next thing that you can do is basically you can get a domain name for Bera. So I will go ahead and get a 3-word name because these are expensive, and currently I think these are free. So let me go ahead and add couple of this to my cart over here, and as you can see I will try to go ahead and do the checkout over here and click on confirm. So I will wait. So yeah, this mint is successful. So I have now Crypto Insight and Pug.honey as domain name over here. As you can see, 2 of them, and basically you can get some additional names if you want. These transactions are not okay. So we have generated this AI image over here. Let us try to go ahead and mint a NFT over here. Bera with hat. So as you can see now I have created this edition collection over here, and I am deploying it. Now it's uploading all the metadata and all the packages in order to generate the NFT which I have created just now. Now meanwhile this is getting over, you can go to merkle.xyz over here, and in the Berachain you can check all the events over here, and basically you can go ahead and verify everything like mint Ooga Booga ticket, which I've already shown you. Then you can mint honey token, swap bera to STG USDC, and claim testnet. So let me try to go ahead and verify couple of them. So as you can see, I've received like 30 XP over here. Let me click on this. As you can see, I've already minted this Ooga Booga token. So basically you can go ahead and complete all of this basic task. And if you want to get this NFT, there is a small charge. I think it's around 0.8 Polygon, if I remember correctly. So basically you have to switch the network to Polygon EVM, and you can mint this NFT if you want to go ahead and mint it. Now rest of the things are still taking some time. So these are some of the steps you can do in order to farm the Berchain airdrop. Now apart from this, there are a lot of steps which I have mentioned in the previous video. You can go ahead and check those out. So this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.